Welcome back to another episode. This is episode 2 of the Rzr build series. Today we're going to go over some of the updates we've done. We'll show you a little bit of the footage of riding, and our first race is in 2 weeks. So we're going to go train this weekend with her co-driver again, and then the Saturday we're going to go over to La Paz to the track and get to walk it and see if she can get a couple of laps. Today we're going to put on the bumper. We just got that ordered today, or just got arrived today. And we'll go over some of the other updates we've done, and we'll get ready for the race. So thanks for watching, and check it all out. Alright, so you're putting the light tab on there. Sit tight, keep going, tight. There you go, all the way. There you go. Hold it at the end. Do it all the way. Let me see if we can find another. Careful.
See, it's not all taking apart. Yeah. Everything's falling.
Go gentle. Just put them in loosely, all 4 of them loose before you tighten any down. It's gonna work easier. You hear me?
Okay, I'm taking it off.
Take it all the way out.
Careful with the camera, because you can see that it's coming off.
Alright.
You can see it coming off.
Don't do that one. You gotta put your head on there. Got it?
Yeah. I don't know.
Keep going.
Okay. Can I bump into cars like straight into them?
Yes. Not on purpose, but if you accidentally hit one, you'll be fine.
Oh, so I can't hit them on purpose.
No. You want them to run into you on purpose?
No.
Okay, then don't run into them.
Is that how you start a fight? It's only inside.
Alright, do the other one, so you do them evenly. A little bit one, a little bit the other, okay? That bumper looks cool.
Will it stop when it's tight?
Yes.
Oh, well, it's not tight.
Alright, hold it up.
That's up. You help.
Alright, bumpers on. We got this one. Was a bit of a challenge way down in there
But
to
I
get,
made it. I put
but
my
small
arms
hands
down.
worked and we got it in there. So we're gonna put that little Baja design on there for now, clean up, and then we'll go over and give you guys a breakdown of everything we've done so far. Alright, you ready? Keep the washer in there. Got it?
Okay, bing. No, it fell.
You gotta get it out. All right, so little Can-Am or Rzr update here. We got the intercom from PCI. We have the crow belts in. She's got those bolted to the stock harness locations in the bottom, or the stock belt locations. And then these are just on here. The cage from Magvion is gonna be here Friday, so we'll get that on. And then some window nets made. And then she's ready to race. And the race is, as I said, in La Paz, 2 weeks. So that's basically it. We're gonna try to put a little bolt-on bumper there, just in case someone hits her, a little straight bar. And we got the doors, we got some stickers, and we got, as I said, window nets. That's about it. What do you think?
Mirrors.
We added the mirrors, yep. We got the GoPro. I even plugged the GoPro into the intercom through the PCI. What? Steering wheel. Oh, I forgot about that. We did that the other day. The NRG steering wheel, that's updated. We're gonna put a horn through there when we add the switch bros, so that'll be nice. Then she got the push to talk. And we used the adapter, again from Magvion Motorsports. It's a 3-bolt under there, and this is the 6. Got a couple of to add.
The co-driver. The co-driver's button.
The co-driver's push to talk. The co-driver's got his push to talk over there. That's my messy GoPro cable, because I took it out of my truck. Ordered her own from PCI so we can route it nice. She's not gonna need to have power on her GoPro just because it's short lapse, so she just wants to have the audio in so we can record their race commentary. Other than that, she's pretty much ready to go. Got a GoPro there for her. We need to get wheels and tires next and address all that. And we're gonna add some spacers in the back and probably some custom arms in the front to get a couple more inches width. This thing does look a bit narrow going down the road. What do they need to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Follow.
Follow and ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Like.
There's a little bell at the bottom.
We do that? Have you watched YouTube before?
Yes, there's a bell, a YouTube, and a follow.